I'm very excited to announce that we've got a great anatomy class coming up in September with Dr. Carsten Staszyk. He's an anatomy professor in Germany. I would venture to say probably nobody has contributed more to the scientific literature, arguably, than Professor Staszyk. He's produced so many great papers on dental anatomy, sinus anatomy, head anatomy. It's really changed the way that we as clinicians think about dentistry. His research is not only excellent in the way that it's done, and the methods, and the way the hypothesis is proposed, but also there's a real clinical kind of angle on a lot of the research that him and his group have published, which is really fantastic for us as clinicians because we're able to use that information to make better clinical decisions. So I'm very, very excited to have him presenting a few lectures for our upcoming one-day anatomy class on sinuses and the periodontium. His lectures, if you haven't heard them, are very, very well done, very applicable to clinical practice, like I was saying. And he just has a great enthusiasm and depth of knowledge and love for teaching and sharing information. That's really fantastic. So really encourage you anytime you can follow his work to attend any of his lectures and to read all of his papers online, because there's just so much great information. We also have Dr. Mauricio Bitar from Brazil. Dr. Bitar and I have been friends for a long time. He's an outstanding clinician. He does absolutely fantastic work in Brazil. He's done so much to bring a high level of equine dentistry, not only to Brazil and South America, but all over the world. His imaging is world class. His lectures are world class, and he's also world class individual and clinicians and fantastic instructor. So we're very excited to have him presenting some lectures as well. If you haven't heard him present, I highly encourage you to follow his work as well. So the class again is coming up in September. We'll put the dates in a link below here, but we highly recommend you can watch the lectures online, or if you're in Central Texas, we encourage you to maybe come in. We're going to do some dissections as part of the class in the afternoon. So yeah, we're very, very excited for this class and some of the other ones that we have coming up. Keep an eye out in the future too. We've got our website that we'll also post in the link, where we have a lot of educational courses coming up. And again, everything is hands-on, everything is clinically based, and we basically simplify and distill down years of knowledge and experience into what is truly usable for clinicians. We have a very, very busy dental practice, and we work on a lot of complicated cases every day. So we've had to streamline the way procedures are done. We have to work efficiently and cut out any of the fat, so to speak, and the noise. There's a lot of noise within medicine. Some of it is good, but some of it can cause us to have issues that we shouldn't be having, and we're trying to basically present a clear clinical picture of how you can be successful in dental practice. So check everything out and let us know if you've attended some of these classes. We're always welcome to feedback as well. Thank you.